Hello everybody, welcome back. So today we're doing such a fun video. I'm going to show you how to turn beer into candy. So I made a very similar video a couple years ago, like way back at the beginning of YouTube, and I thought I'd bring it back and kind of like do a little twist on it and just shoot it in a much better way than I did before, because that was like baby YouTuber Cayla when I didn't know what I was doing, and now I can shoot it in a lot prettier. So I figured I'd do it especially for St. Patrick's Day. So what these are basically, it's beer turned into gummies or candy. So it sounds disgusting, I know, but it's actually really good. I hate beer. I have a certain face when I try beer, and it's like disgusted and just like I hate it so much. And I was like trying to drink the beer as I was filming to like be like, oh, maybe my taste buds changed, and they haven't. But these taste good to me when they're turned into candy form. So there is hope. Even if you don't like beer, these actually taste pretty good, and I am very happy about that because I hate beer. Oh my god. But anyways, so I'm doing two different varieties today in this video. I'll link the old video in the cards right here if you want to see like old school pankobunny. But today we're going to do two different versions. So first we are going to do like gummy or candy, or like basically beer jello served in a mug to look like beer, and it's topped with Cool Whip. And I think that these are so cute for like either for St. Patrick's Day or for a cute little treat in the summer. I think that these would be perfect for like a barbecue kind of night. And then I'm also setting them into just to look like little gummies and things like that, because I think that's really cute as well. So let's get started. Okay, so you could use any kind of beer that you like. Use your favorite beer, use a few different kinds of beer to kind of get the little like variety of colors. That's what I did, and I think it looks super pretty that way. But you can use anything that you like. So in this video I used 4, just to give you guys a kind of variety. Okay, so first we use Guinness, and then we use Asahi, then we use Peroni, and then I used this weird thing, and I wasn't gonna get it until like I saw the pattern on the can, and this looks so weird. It looks so Japanese. It looks so much fun. So I'm like, I need to just like buy it and show you guys. Anyways, so first we are going to make the actual like beer jellies that look like beer. So in order to do that, you want to pour the beer into a pot and sprinkle some gelatin on top. Then allow the gelatin to develop for 5 minutes. Then set the pot to medium heat and stir until the gelatin has dissolved. Then add some sugar and mix until dissolved. Then you want to pour it into glasses, leaving a little bit of room at the top, and we're going to add Cool Whip later, so that's why you want to add a little space. And then if you just want to turn it into gummies instead of pouring it into a glass, just pour the mixture into a silicone mold instead. And then pop everything in the fridge until it's set for about 1 hour. Then spoon some Cool Whip on top of the glasses and unmold the gummies, and you are done! So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video. If you try this out, please send me photos on Instagram or Twitter at pankobunny. I would love to see them. And this could also work really great with wine. I like literally just had an idea sitting here of doing it but like sangria and adding fresh fruit. I think that would be beautiful, especially in the summer. So you may see that recipe coming in the summer, so stay tuned and you'll know when the idea came. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow for another video.